Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome, everybody. Desserts for one or two. Very nice, very nice. Now today on the agenda, souffle. For those of you who don't know, the word souffle in French means irritating as balls to make. It's literally as irritating as a big old hairy hound dog's greasy little flappers rubbing up on your bare leg. You're going to want to prep your souffle cups with some butter and sugar. Get it all tapped around there. Coat the sides and everything. Make it all nice. Handle with care. These tender little babies deserve your loving touch. It's time to get these pampered little cuties some sugar. Be liberal with it. Sugar's the most delicious element in the universe. It's a reincarnation of all the most beautiful energies ever to exist. Come back, sugar cane. Makes you happy. It's good vibes. Good vibes. It's like surfing North Shore, Hawaii. Out there on Big Blue, all by yourself. Look around, nothing but waves, far as the eye can see. You've lost yourself. Beautiful. We've gotten a little sidetracked. Apologize. I'll tell you what though, watching this video makes my mouth juicier than Santa's britches in July. And that's quite juicy, my friends. Most important part of making a souffle is handling them egg whites properly. We whip them up to firm peaks for a reason. Keep those eggs as airy as possible. Let your hand be the petal of a flower, and the eggs be a butterfly. We're talking gentle, my friends. Gentle. You can color your souffle any color you want. For my souffle, I chose pink, because I like rainbows, flowers, unicorns, anything soft and cuddly. I like to think about that stuff. Hey, we're getting there. Once your batter's all made, you're going to put it in those souffle dishes that you prepared a little while ago. Get it all smooth on top with your finger. Once you're done getting them all handsome, throw them in the oven for a little bit. Look at those clever, proud boys, standing up so tall. Those gentlemen are looking sweeter than the warm Wrangler jeans off of Brett Favre's quarterback and buns. Hope you enjoy the recipe, my friends.